Want to fix Star Citizen error code 3005? This video will show you the simple tricks to get back into the verse. Let's dive in. First things first, error code 3005 in Star Citizen usually indicates a client-side crash related to Easy Anti-Cheat, EAC, often due to corrupted EAC files or conflicts with other software. Now, the most crucial step is to repair Easy Anti-Cheat directly. Navigate to your Star Citizen installation folder, e.g. Robert Space Industries, G Star Citizen, Lived, Easy Anti-Cheat. Run Easy Anti-Cheat, setup.exe as an administrator. Select Star Citizen from the drop-down, then click Repair Service. Next, verify the integrity of your game files through the RSI launcher. Open the launcher, go to Settings, and click Verify. This will check for and repair any corrupted game files or EAC components. You'll also want to close all unnecessary background applications, especially any overclocking software, RGB control programs, or VPNs, as they can sometimes conflict with anti-cheat. Restart your PC afterward. Ensure your antivirus software isn't conflicting with EAC. Temporarily disable your antivirus, launch the game, and if it works, add exceptions for Star Citizen and the Easy Anti-Cheat service. Finally, ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated. If the problem persists, a full reinstallation of Star Citizen might be necessary, ensuring a clean install of EAC as well. If this helped you out, hit that like button. Subscribe for more Star Citizen tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.